Honda is globally recognized in the automotive industry. Founded in 1948, its history is rich and inspiring. From the outset, it excelled in the market of cars and motorcycles. Its signature? Unmatched innovation and quality. Honda's journey is a treasure. From humble roots, it grew to become a global icon. But who was the visionary behind such success? A trailblazer who shaped this iconic brand and revolutionized the sector. Honda didn't just manufacture vehicles. It created milestones. Revisiting its initial products, we witness the beginning of a meteoric rise. Over the years, each step expanded its legacy. This journey shows us Honda winning hearts around the globe. Vehicle enthusiasts succumb to its charm. Are you ready? Let's discover together this universe of innovations and triumphs. Soichiro Honda. Soichiro Honda, the mastermind behind Honda Motor Company, was born in 1906, hailing from a modest home in Japan. His early fascination with mechanics and innovation was evident. At 16, Soichiro found his path in an automotive workshop in Tokyo, where he immersed himself in the world of engines. In 1937, armed with his learning and experience, he founded Tokai Seiki. The company initially focused on aeronautical pistons. But then came the Second World War. Tokai Seiki shifted production for the Japanese army. However, the war brought destruction. His company was bombed. After the war, rising from the ashes and seeking innovation, Soichiro founded Honda Motor Company in 1948 with his partner Takeo Fujisawa. The first spark of brilliance? A motorized bicycle named Model A. Soichiro was relentless. He lived for innovation and perfection. Testing and experimenting were essential to him. He dedicated himself to engines, fine-tuning and reinventing. His team was equally inspired. And his vision for the future? Transformative. He introduced wonders like the four-stroke engine and VTEC. Innovations that reshaped the industry, as we'll discuss in detail later. Innovation towards perfection. Soichiro's establishment of Honda Motor Company marked the beginning of a significant journey in the automotive industry. He initially steered the company towards motorcycle production, making a mark with the launch of Model A. Soon after, came Model D, Honda's first motorcycle that dominated the market. However, Soichiro always aimed higher. He wanted Honda to diversify and venture into new technologies. In 1960, Honda took a giant leap by introducing the Honda T360. This car, the company's first with a 360 cubic centimeters engine, was a hit in Japan and solidified Honda's reputation as a quality producer. But this was just the beginning. They expanded their product range, from passenger cars to marine and garden equipment. Soichiro's innovative vision played a vital role in this growth. He always encouraged his team to innovate, fostering a culture of experimentation at Honda. Even in a market saturated with quality motorcycles, Soichiro remained steadfast in his mission to deliver high-performance vehicles of superior quality. For this, he spared no effort in refining engines and investing in advanced technologies and production processes. As the years advanced, Honda didn't lose momentum. New motorcycle models emerged, accompanied by technological advancements like electronic fuel injection and automatic transmission. One of the great revolutions was the four-stroke engine in 1951. This engine transformed the industry landscape, making motorcycles more efficient, economical, and eco-friendly. Soon after came the VTEC system, an innovation that allowed precise electronic control of valves, enhancing efficiency without sacrificing consumption. However, Honda's innovation didn't stop at performance. Safety was also at the top of their list. In 1987, they introduced the airbag system, reinforcing their commitment to safety. Over time, new solutions were incorporated, such as front collision detection and driver assistance. Equally impressive is Honda's commitment to sustainability. Their notable involvement in renewable energies demonstrates this. These innovations didn't happen by chance, but rather from a continuous investment in research and development. Always looking to the future, Honda tirelessly seeks more advanced and sustainable solutions. The main idea? To create efficient mobility that harmoniously coexists with the environment. Awards and recognitions. Throughout its journey, Honda has reaped rewards in the form of recognition. They illustrate the company's focus on excellence, whether in operations or products. Various awards, in diverse areas, make up the brand's portfolio of successes. Forbes magazine positioned Honda among the top 100 most innovative companies globally. This recognition is not incidental. It is a reflection of the company's strong investments in research, development, and technology, including fields like artificial intelligence and autonomous vehicles. In the realm of sustainability, Honda doesn't lag behind. With a strong tradition focused on clean technologies, it earned the title of the greenest automotive brand by Interbrand. Meanwhile, Auto Express magazine awarded Honda as the best car brand of the year, a testament to the unquestionable quality of their products. The passion for competition is evident in their sporting journey. In 1964, Honda shone in the Motorcycle Grand Prix, winning in several categories. In 1965, it became the first Japanese automaker to triumph at the 24 Hours of Le Mans. Formula One also hosts Honda milestones, with the company collecting titles over the decades. Their presence is also felt in IndyCar and WTCC, solidifying their reputation in automotive competitions. All of this journey highlights Honda as a global icon of quality, innovation, and tenacity. Even with over 70 years of history, the essence of the brand remains intact. And much of this is due to Soichiro Honda. Passed away in 1991, his legacy kept the company pulsating, inspired to innovate and overcome challenges. Currently, Honda stands out among the largest manufacturers of vehicles and industrial equipment, present in over 150 countries. The brand's success, shaped by the efforts of Soichiro and his team, is the result of a vision of constant creation and excellence. Soichiro Honda's journey is essential to capture the soul of Honda. His visionary outlook, his persistence, and his commitment to quality inspired countless engineers and entrepreneurs. Defying obstacles, he turned his passion for mechanics into an automotive giant. His influence, today, is perceived in every Honda innovation, reflecting a living and active legacy. This narrative about Honda is enriched by Soichiro, whose personality and dedication shaped the company. Every Honda product, every technology, carries the touch of this visionary. His story is a testament that entrepreneurial spirit and unwavering pursuit of excellence are pillars for success. Now, I'd like to hear your opinion. What do you think of this journey? Were you already familiar with Honda's history? Do you own any products from the brand?